In this video I'll show you how to download and install a VPN on an Android phone. So first things first, go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Click on the search icon at the bottom, tap inside the search bar at the top, and when your keyboard appears you just want to search VPN. For this example I'm just going to use one of the free ones, so I'll click on that, click install. Depending on the internet speed it could take a couple of minutes to download and install. Once it's downloaded you can open it directly from the Play Store by clicking the blue open button, but I find it's always best to come out of the Play Store and then scroll through your apps just to make sure that there's an icon downloaded and installed. If so, click on that and that'll open up the VPN that you've just downloaded and installed.